Hello everyone and welcome once again to Maths is
Fantastic! Maths is fantastic! Yay!
Today we are here with another fun maths activity for you guys called tens and ones. For this activity, we will be needing some number cards, some beads,
some sticks, or maybe some chopsticks, or screwdrivers, some cups, and maybe some sand.
Yes, so what we did here, we took 2 cups. You can take cups, ramekins, bowls, things like that, and we have put some sand in it, okay, so that we can fit this skewer, this wooden stick in it. Why? So that we can practice our tens and ones in a fun way. This activity is all about practicing our tens and ones, and I will show you how we will do this. So let me put this here. Okay, so first of all we did this. Okay, we took a cup, we filled it with sand. You can use sand, you can use rice, flour.
Maybe
slime. I'm not sure, but why not? Go ahead and try that too. And I had this sand, so I used it and I put a skewer in it. Okay, we made 2 of these, and we call one, as you can see, tens, and we call one ones. We've labeled it like that. So now, after we label these tens and ones, we will be practicing our tens and ones like this. Okay, so for example, I have this number 53, and now what we're going to do here, so for example, I have this number 53, okay, and I will be asking my daughter how many tens are in 53, and she knows that this jar or this bowl is for tens. So I will give her some beads. Okay, so if I have this number 53, I will ask my daughter how many tens we have in here, and she will say, oh, it's 53, right? So in ones place we have 3, in tens place we have 5, so we have 5 tens, right? So 5 beads will go in the tens place, so I will put 1 bead, second bead, third bead, and 4 beads, and 5th. Yeah, this actually it's stuck in there. Yeah. Be careful, guys, because this is a bit sharp. It has to be very sharp. So if you have anything else, you can use that as well, because sometimes some beads
maybe you can do chopsticks. I don't think it's a good idea to use sticks like from trees and with PC car, because they might be a bit too thick for beads.
Yeah, because you have to keep in mind that the bead hole is very small. So I think the skewer is good enough. So look. How many beads did I put in tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads because...
Now we need to do the number of ones and the ones.
Yes, so because we had 5 tens, so I put 5 beads in tens place. Now how many ones do we have in 53?
3.
Yes, so how many beads will go in ones place?
3.
Well done. So you can put it here. 2, and 3. Well done. So here we have it, our 53. So we have 5 tens and 3 ones. So that makes 53. This is a good and fun way to practice our tens and ones. Hopefully this will keep the kids nice and involved in this fun activity, and they can practice it as much as they like. So let's begin. Oh, okay, now let's put it back in. Yeah, of course. Okay, are you ready? Now let me give you a number.
Can I give you first?
Okay, you give me first.
Actually, I want to give you a number.
You want to give me a number? Okay, there you go. Give me a number.
I want to give the biggest one.
Oh,
Then 98.
Okay, 98. Okay, I wonder how many tens we have and how many ones we have in 98. So I know that 8 is in the ones place and 9 is in the tens place. So I have 9 tens, right? I have 9 tens because it's 98. So 9 tens. So I need 9 beads for tens. 1, 2, count with me guys. 3, 4, this one's 4, 4, 5, 6,
7,
7,
8,
8, 9, 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 tens. And how many ones I wonder we have? Well, we have 8 in ones place. So we have 8 ones. So let's put 8 beads in here. 1. This one's 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7,
oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Am I correct, Miss Ava? Can you check if I'm correct?
Yes.
Well done. Okay, so your turn now. Let me take the beads out.
Hello everyone. I took this way out.
Yes, it comes out, but I'm gonna just put it back in.
Can I bury it? When it comes out, I want to
Yes,
bury
you
it.
can. That's okay. So let's do that, and let me give you a number.
Can you give me a hard one?
Okay.
The hardest one.
Okay. There you go.
66. Easy. Can you give me a hard one?
Okay. Let me give
Can
you.
you give me 96?
Okay. Here you go. 96. So how many tens we have in 96?
9.
9.
And 6 ones.
6 ones. I hope you guys are doing with us. You can fit it. 2.
This other one scratched me.
Oh, be careful. That's what I was saying. It's a bit pointy and sharp. 3. If you want, I can do it. You can do it, okay. 4. It's too small. 5. I don't think it will fit. It's too small. Get the big ones, like these big ones.
No, this looks like a dice.
Yeah. 5. 6. Almost there. Just find the bigger beads. The small ones are very small holes, so they will not come. Well done. 1, 2, 3.
Let's count
Okay.
them, please. 2, 4, 6,
7.
7. Nice. 15.
8. The small ones are not fitting. You get the big ones like this for example.
Oh.
8 and this one is big. And 9. Well done. So we have 9 tens. Now how many ones we have?
6.
6. 2.
I like the shape into that.
3.
You kind of thing.
4. Find the big ones. These are too small.
Okay, good.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Oh, look at that. It's like a ring.
Yeah. You can't put in a finger though.
5. 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 6, 6, that's it. So how many ones we have?
6.
6. So that took some time. But that's okay. So that was 96.
If you can see a big buried in the sand.
Do you want to take it out? Okay, so let me give you another number. Here is the number I have chosen for you. Can you please tell me how many how many tens and how many ones do we have? And then you can put the beads according to that.
3 tens and 0 ones.
All done. So you want to do the honors of putting the beads? 1. That's a very small one. 2 and 3. And will you put some beads here now, please?
No.
Why not?
So they say 0.
Yeah, so there are no ones. So we only have 3 tens, and 3 tens make 30. Well done. Well done. So let me give you one last one. Let me give you a big one. Here you have it.
Yay.
So what number do we have?
85.
So can you please tell us how many tens
80.
and how many ones?
80 and 5 ones.
Well done. In 85. One bead. Second bead. So 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Be careful of the sharp bit. 6.
Isn't it okay?
Just take the bigger ones. Like this one's really big, this one's really big. Take these. Then take 2. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 4, 6, 7,
And
8.
8. 8 tens. Now how many ones we have?
5.
Let's put 5 beads in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's okay. And 5. 5 ones. Well done. So here we have it. 85 because we've got 10 eights and 5 ones. So that's it for this activity.
It's already finished. I really like that one.
Yes, then you can practice it as many times as you like. I will keep them on the table and you can keep practicing. But for now, that's it for our video. Hope you guys enjoyed this fun activity of practicing our tens and ones. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so we can keep making these fun maths activities for you guys. Until next time, bye.
Bye.